6 Fleetwood Discovery 39 volts for sale in Lyndon Station, Wisconsin 53944. Spread your wings and fly with this 2006 Fleetwood Discovery 39 volts. This Class A motorhome is 42 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong-powered Caterpillar diesel pusher engine mated with an automatic transmission that offers an impressive 330 horsepower. This RV has 2 slide-outs, 1 awning, and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 4 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with captain's chairs and a monitor panel. With only 33,468 miles, you can rest assured that this Fleetwood will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2006 Fleetwood Discovery 39 volts is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include solid Surface CountertopsThree Burner Stove / OvenFull Size Gas / electric refrigerator / FreezerIce Maker / water DispenserDouble kitchen SinkDinette with bench, SeatingThree flat screen televisions, surround SoundCD / StereoLeather seats and furniture, theater system, full size shower washer / dryer, IncludedMaster queen size bed, full size master closet, central vacuum cleaner, gas / electric water HeaterTwo Zone Gas / electric HVAC system, Class IH7.5 kW Onan GeneratorOutdoor wet bar and kitchen, and so much more. This 2006 Fleetwood Discovery 39 volts is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Fleetwood Discovery is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2006 Fleetwood Discovery 39 volts.